Think about it for a moment. What are the two topics everyone is talking about? Exactly, those two: health and artificial intelligence. What if we were to connect them? If we connect them, the possibilities are endless. And it's here, in Galicia, where they will be explored with the new European Artificial Intelligence Factory, One Health AI. A new factory? No, nothing of the sort. An artificial intelligence factory is much more than a facility because it combines world-class cutting-edge technology equipment, powerful supercomputers, large volumes of data and open services to support the creation, experimentation and application of high-impact AI models capable of solving real problems. One Health AI is the result of a partnership between the Xunta de Galicia, the Galicia Supercomputing Centre and the CSIC. It involves collaborating with the three Galician public universities, Gradient and Data Life, together with the support of the Galician R&D&I ecosystem and various European organisations. With an investment of 82 million euros, the One Health AI factory is based on a comprehensive approach: One Health. It's not just about human health, but will apply artificial intelligence to seek sustainable solutions where the health of people, animals and the environment intersect. What are we talking about? Accelerating drug discovery, advancing personalised and preventive medicine, predicting disease outbreaks, developing functional foods, anticipating climate-related health risks. In sum, using AI to serve people. The One Health AI factory will have a new supercomputer dedicated to AI. It's also one of only 4 in Europe that will include an experimental quantum platform among the 19 deployed in 16 countries. Its 3 pillars will be cutting-edge collaborative research, training new technical and scientific profiles, and supporting companies and centres in finding innovative solutions to real problems. One Health AI is R&G and I, and it's also the future. It will improve the competitiveness in business, create jobs, attract and retain talent, and promote and strengthen startups. One Health AI, the factory that places Galicia among the elite in supercomputing and artificial intelligence.